Rosie, and we're here with our girl, Alexa.
Alexa, how's the weather looking today?
Currently, it's 30 degrees Celsius.
Is my dog a good boy?
14 out of 10. Fantastic doggos.
Alexa, turn on bedroom light.
Okay.
What's on my shopping list?
You have 3 items on your shopping list.
What am I holding?
365 garlic granules.
Alexa, I love you.
Do you like Alexa?
I do now.
Wash your hands. Everybody. Everybody, wash your hands.
Alexa, sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Alexa, play my dance potty routine.
Happy birthday, Alexa girl. It's the icy girl sweetie.
Have fun, Alexa, and don't do anything that I wouldn't do.
Goodbye, darlings. Have a blessed day.
Happy birthday to
Thank you all. It's been an amazing 6 years.
and many more.